This is why my nail appointments take 3 to 4 hours.
Or 3 for 5, so obviously we got 3. People say money doesn't buy happiness. It buys mine. Living alone costs money. That brings me joy. Okay, boomer. The disrespect. Look at how long I grow your nails out. And the nails grew kind of long. It's like I'm so good at my job. How deep is your love? Show them how gross you are. You bad girl.
Bit cool. One version. Then this is the celestial one.
I can't believe I have to put something fake on you.
I know. Fake bitch.
The boys I like ya. You say that I'm good enough, got my drra.
Meow meow.
At you.
Hey, get it. What?
Gra. 7, 8. Gra. Ta. That's me. Ass fat. Frame little.
BOBs are not widow.
Okay.
The way you do celestial.
Make your pussy quiver. You guys literally have one job and you fuck it up every time.
I'm scared of you.
Fuck. No, bitch. The thing is, I be carrying y'all on my back and y'all keep breaking it. I said I wanted my back to be thrown out, not like this.
Can you just like...
It's working. Shut up. Stop looking at it. You don't deserve to look at it. Relax. Okay, bitch, you have one job. I need you to put this in very carefully. Yeah.
Hand. No to the Jesus ring.
Hit makeup.
Fat fingers.
Bitch, why do you keep getting closer to me? Move back.
Delicioso.
Oh my god.